Hey, it's Codevember. Today we're making a MIDI generator in AudioKit plus a native AUv3. Let's get started. AudioUnit extensions allow us to use our apps in host applications like an audio plugin. For this example, I've added a MIDI Processor AudioUnit extension. When you generate the extension under File, New Target, it'll generate an AudioUnit extension with a bunch of SwiftUI, Swift, and Objective-C files. Since we interface with AudioKit in Swift, we would need to rewrite a few of the files in Swift like we did with the AUv3 instrument example, but for now, I'll just keep this all in Objective-C. This isn't a fully baked implementation, but it does showcase some important concepts like using the musical context block for getting the tempo and beat, and transport state block to check if the host is running. And that's it. Get the code for this and all the Codevember examples over on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.